This morning we're out close to home and I've been talking to Justin, who I haven't seen for a long time. Justin's in a wheelchair with a spinal cord injury. We've known each other for about 20 years. We used to knock around with RC cars about a year after our injury. Anyway, I got to talking to him about a month or two ago. I seen him at WSX and I was telling him about the Joystick drive buggy. He's coming out here today and meeting us. We're real close to home. We're going to see how he goes in the Joystick drive two-seater Polaris. Yeah, we'll take him for a spin and we'll see what he reckons. Hopefully it goes okay. I'm going to be in the quad truck over there.
Spinal cord injuries are all different. While in most circumstances, some incomplete spinal injuries, people can gain back movement, but in Justin's rare case, he has lost movement over the years. NAF has moved the controller from the right side to the left side and also made a new joystick that suits Justin's disability. Fluid has gone up his spinal cord, leaving him with less movement and only movement in his left hand. But to see him come out here today and give this a try, hats off to you, Justin. I've tried over the years to get a few quadriplegics in the driver's seat, and you're the first person that's willing to give it a go, so I admire your enthusiasm.
Oh, he's going to clear it anyway, all good.
Hanging out or anything?
Nah, you're all good, mate.
This is nerve-wracking for me, man. But,
Yeah.
Grab that chest strap. Oh, that's fine, yeah. Oh, yeah.
So not too tight,
I'll do it, yeah. Sort of make it firm, nice and firm.
a bit more than that.
Don't want it. Yeah, a little bit more.
Is that alright there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is that? Yeah, that's alright.
Bring my arm in.
Is that
Yeah.
foam pads going too down, or is it?
No, that's alright.
Yeah.
At the moment, we'll see how we go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Am I driving this?
Yeah.
Oh gosh. Gonna end up in a ditch, Justin.
Nah.
Justin? There you go, Justin.
You want to grab that?
Salty.
It will be a little bit of a deep, but it's
Yeah.
all good. Okay.
Those two switches up the top there, see near the ignition?
Yep.
So if Justin wants to drive, which way do you flick it? NAF towards Justin?
And the lights come up. That way.
Then it's joystick operated,
Oh,
see
yeah,
that?
yeah.
And then you want to drive Ashley, flick those off, real simple. Once I'm all in that one, you won't be able to hear me because it's so loud. But there's also two fire extinguishers in the back here, and then I've got two in the back of mine too. We don't want to talk about that. No.
sometimes the quickest way to learn is just get in and go. By the time I get all strapped in the quad truck, Justin has already got the hang of it. It's basically a big powered wheelchair, and we are ready to hit the tracks. It's been a long time since I've been out this way, but it doesn't look like it's changed much. I'll take the lead for a while and then let Justin go ahead.
Alright, we're away. Left here?
No, straight for the front. It's gonna be a little bit softer after to get a little bit ahead there, so it just...
Well, hopefully Justin's going alright back there.
On the road again, well, on the off-road again. No way to get back on the off-road again.
This is pretty awesome.
Yeah. Alright. Blow on. Harley track.
Oh, Harley track.
There's a motocross track there.
Oh, yeah.
And they used to race back in the day. And there's all tracks like this throughout there. Used to go tearing around,
Yeah.
riding our bike.
Seems like there's quite a lot of this track around here, hey?
I've never
Got
been out.
heaps of space.
I've never been out this way. Ah. But it's the same sort of like limestone
Yeah.
and yeah.
I think you're a bit better driver than I would be.
Nah, you just gotta keep your speed up a bit
Yeah.
if you can. It's a lot smoother than I thought. You know?
About as smooth as the Master.
Do you know Wedge Island?
Wedge Island.
Yeah.
I heard of it.
It's north of Lancelin.
Yeah.
And the only way you used to be able to get there, apart from going on the beach, and if you didn't have a four-wheel drive, you had to go on tracks like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we used to take our normal sedans.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I love
that was the way.
and the smoothies are really nice on these
Fun.
sorts of tracks.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're just coming up the hill behind. They're going alright, no one's waving, so I don't know who's driving. Hopefully, oh yeah, don't see any hands on the steering wheel, so it must be Justin. Yeah, good job. Going around the log.
All these busy people hurrying along. If they're not on the phone, they're all worried something's wrong. Making it important to be the first in line. So when the cookie crumbles, the best piece they will find. Oh, we're racing to a red light. It's right there before our eyes.
Yeah.
Justin's just letting his support worker have a bit of a drive, and I'm just letting the quad truck cool down a little bit. Fan's always kicking in and out, don't go fast enough to keep it cool.
Very good.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good fun.
Wait for the switch it off.
So close. Wanted a whipper into full.
Yeah, put that switch.
That's better.
See, you might have to go to low range in a minute.
Yeah.
Get a bit of speed up.
Oh, we're racing to a red light.
Yeah,
And
boy.
it's right there before.
Kind of range you want to yell out, but you kind of, you sort of, you want to scream out, sort of, yeah, but your lungs just, you haven't got the capacity.
I can't hear shit in this, it's so loud.
Yeah,
I can follow you for a while, do you want to do that?
can we go through there?
Yeah, anyway. I would just keep it in four-wheel drive, but four-wheel drive high, unless you come to a complete stop.
Oh,
Yeah.
No.
We'll get Justin on a bit of dash cam. follow him for a little bit. It's so nice and green in winter out here. He's going to need a shower tonight.
At least it's a nice windy day, so
Oh yeah,
it's not going to get too
fresh
hot.
today.
Well, that's a wrap for today's local ride and Justin's first time in the buggy. I'm looking forward to going again on a longer trip and challenging ourselves. Also, I hope I can keep it going and give some opportunities to others that are in similar situations to myself and Justin, and taking them off-roading. Bye.